always a good day when Amazfit is in the house, and today we are checking out the Amazfit Active 2. Now this is their square-bodied smart fitness watch that has more of like just a really elegant kind of premium feel. So we're gonna dive into this, and I can tell you right off the bat, this thing's awesome. Now, I have been testing out the Amazfit Active 2 for a little while now, and honestly, the first thing that grabbed me was the build quality. Usually when you look at smartwatches in this category, you end up getting plastic screens that scratch if you look at them wrong, and actually this thing actually pairs stainless steel body with sapphire crystal glass. This is the kind of material that you usually only see in the higher end watches, and that is what kind of brings my appeal here. Is it just looks like a premium watch, looks very fancy, a little bit more elegant, very business-like, and not to mention the fact that it looks like that, but it also just has, you know, a robust build to it. So in comparison to some of the other fitness trackers out there, this one's definitely on the higher end. So display on this is 1.7 inches, it's AMOLED, and it hits 2000 nits of brightness. I took this outside into direct sunlight and had zero issues reading my notifications, checking my stats. Now, speaking of being outside, it has GPS tracking on this is solid. Now this thing uses 5 satellite systems, and a feature that I really appreciate is the downloadable map. So for those of you who go into areas where you may not have good cell phone coverage or good GPS coverage and things like that, you can pre-download your maps to make sure that you've got them locked and loaded on here at all times. The other thing that's great is you can pull them up in the Zepp app and get turn-by-turn navigation right on your wrist without needing to pull your phone out every 2 minutes. So for somebody who maybe wants to, run or travel or walk to a specific location, you can do all that with your directions right here on your watch, which is so nice, especially if you have, maybe you want to keep your phone in your backpack, maybe you want to keep it in a special pouch if you've got like a harness that you wear while you're working out, things like that. You don't have to have access to it because you'll have it all right there. Now from the fitness side of things, this thing tracks 160 different workout modes, including the dedicated HYROX race mode, which is cool if you're into that competitive fitness kind of stuff. But I love the fact that like when I go walking with the dogs, I can have it automatically detect that I'm on a walk and it's going to start tracking that. Then it has the integrations with my fitness tracking and my food tracking app. It's going to throw the exercise in there, which is going to help me kind of manage all of my calories and stuff like that. There's so many things that it can do. Not to mention, you can also do, there's an AI training coach that you can have built in. You can control your music, you can play music, you can do all sorts of stuff right from the watch itself. And all that data that you're going to get from the fitness size goes right into the Amazfit app, which is basically their app on the device. That thing is awesome. There's so much data breakdown. It can track sleep, it can track all your calorie burns, your heart rate, everything, all in one place, and the app is super, super crystal clean. On top of all that, with all the integrations to all the other, there's so many other apps that it can send and receive data from, it becomes a hub to help track your health, your fitness goals, all that kind of stuff. And then again, it looks super nice. Now, one other thing that I did want to mention is that out of the box, I got this really nice, it comes with this really nice kind of leather textured, like I said, kind of an executive kind of businessy feel, little wrist strap. However, it also comes with a fitness wrist strap right out of the box. So you're going to have an option to switch depending on what you're doing to kind of switch with it. Now, what I love about having a watch like this is I carry and I wear almost exclusively a T-Rex Pro 3, which is my daily driver on because I do a lot of hunting and hiking and camping and all that kind of stuff. But I wanted something that I could wear when I was at work, when I was in business, when I was doing meetings, things like that. And that's where this comes in. So having the two, being able to interchange them, have multiple devices attached to the app to allow you to kind of interchange them is such a cool feature. Now, one of the biggest selling points though, before I wrap all this up, is the battery life. So right now I'm getting about 10 days on use of a single charge. Now that's with all of the GPS notifications, everything fully turned on. I haven't done anything to adjust the battery usage, right? So we're going on walks with the dogs, I'm tracking all of those, all that kind of stuff. And so 10 days of battery life, I can see all of my notifications, like I just got a notification right there from WhatsApp. I can see email notifications, text messages, I can initiate phone calls, I can do all that stuff. So it's like almost the power of a full-blown smartwatch, but with battery life that's significantly better. And there's a lot of things that I can do. If I don't need all the GPS, like real heavy duty GPS tracking, I can lower that down. There's battery saving modes, so many ways to save battery to extend that. But right now I'm running on 10 days of battery life, which is so nice in comparison to my wife, who's got an Apple Watch, who has to charge it every single night. practically. So at the end of the day, guys, if you want something that looks premium, that still has all of the fitness tracking abilities that you could possibly need, it comes with 2 different bands, one for business and one for working out, lots of functionality, looks super nice, lightweight, great battery life, I would definitely recommend you check out the Amazfit Active 2 because this thing is rad.